Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anush Tiwari and today we are going to discuss about Linux and GNU. First of all, the summary. We will study about the history, what can you find on Linux OS, Linux economy. What is Linux? Linux is a free operating system. It runs on a different architectures from Intel to Motorola. It can replace Windows XP or Mac OS X. It is also used in embedded systems. As you can see in this map, Linux is born in 1991 in Europe, Finland. In the beginning of the GNU or Linux, Richard Stallman wrote the GNU Manifesto in 1984. GNU was the name for the complete Unix compatible software system which Stallman was writing at that time. Now here is a big question, that what does GNU stands for? Why Unix like? Why all the people like Unix? Here's a big question. Unix is not my ideal system, but it's not too bad. Unix is a OS created with the philosophy everything in a file. Unix was at the time a very expensive piece of software and used by scientists and the military. He is the man Richard Stallman. He looks messy now. Born in 1953 in Manhattan, New York. Student at the Harvard University. Programmer at the Artificial Intelligence Laboratory ALI of the MIT. In the 70s, he is an active member of the hacker community of the MIT. He finally founded the GNU in 1983. He is also an author of Emacs. Now more about the Stallman, the activist. In January 1984, he quits his job at MIT to work full-time on the GNU project. In Venezuela, Stallman has delivered public speeches and promoted the adoption of free software. Meeting with the government of Indian state of Kerala, he persuaded officials to discard proprietary software. Why do we call this system Linux? Here's a big question, because Stallman did not write the kernel. Since we all know that the kernel is the heart of the GNU. Without kernel we cannot run GNU. Kernel is the heart. So the man who wrote it is called Linus Torvalds. He is also from Finland. That's why the name is Linux according to his name, and the sign, as you can see, the logo is a penguin. Now about Linus Torvalds. Born in Finland in 1969, at the age of 21, he posted to the Minix community his first OS, mostly written in C. By the end of September 1991, the version 0.01 of Linux was released on the internet with 10,239 lines of code. Some features of kernel: true preempting multitask, virtual memory, shared libraries, etc., memory management, internal protocol, threading, etc. All you need to run a system. Now about the user interface. The programmer will find their classic interface like this, as you can see here. Now here are some examples in that we open in the browser user interface, the main page, etc. Now open source softwares, web browsers, FTP clients, HTTP servers, image processing software, instant messengers, Office suite, development tools, GNU compiler collection or GCC, etc. Originally named the GNU C compiler, started by Richard Stallman in 1985. GCC provides compilers for C, C++, Java and Fortran. The Linux kernel is compiled with GCC. It supports dozens of target processors. GCC is now maintained by a varied group of programmers from around the world. Now Linux as a server. As we know that Linux is so popular with internet because of its fast speed processing. Now historically the kernel has made to be a server. Out of top 500 supercomputers, 75.2% approximately run Linux on it. 8 of the 10 most reliable internet hosting companies run Linux on their web servers. Linux as an embedded system. Now where we embedded this Linux software. Now here are some examples in the first point, like television, set-top boxes, mobile phones and handheld devices use Linux. Linux has become a major competitor to the proprietary Symbian OS found in many mobile phones. Several networks, firewall and routers stand alone products. The Core OAS5S music workstation synthesizer also runs Unix. History and presentation of protagonist. What can we find on the OS? Linux upon a short summary. Now about the Free Software Foundation. Free software, as defined by the Free Software Foundation, is software which can be used, copied, studied, modified and redistributed with little or no restrictions. This foundation gave birth to the GPL, means Global Public License. Linux, but not for free. Some of the Linux distributions are freely downloadable and some are sold with proprietary software. Freeware such as Adobe Acrobat are not open source projects. There is a difference between the cost and whether you have access to the code. Now about the business of Linux. Many firms sell Linux operating system. Red Hat or Mandriva are not free. The kernel cannot be sold because it is distributed under GPL license. Maintenance services can be sold and documentations can also be sold. Now after this small explanation about Linux and or GNU, here are some questions of test your understanding. First of all, use the type command with the following arguments: cd, date, pwd and ls, which are the internal commands in this list. Now we have to tell that in cd, date, pwd and ls, which one of these are the internal commands. Cd and pwd are the internal commands of the list. Now second question, what is the difference between an argument and an option? The main difference between an argument and an option is that option is also an argument but generally begins with a hyphen. Hyphen means a dash. Now question number 3, if the command ls dash dash or hyphens all work on a system, which flavor of Unix you could be using? Linux. That's because its command often have double hyphens options. Question number 4. What does the secondary prompt looks like and when does it appear? The secondary prompt is generally a full stop or question mark and appears when the enter key is pressed before the command specification is complete. Now last but not the least question, you located the string cron tag. Remember cron tag in a man page by searching with /cron tag, then enter. How do you find out the other occurrences of the string in the page? And the answer is by pressing and repeatedly. These are some questions and about Linux and GNU or DNU. Thank you for watching the video.